Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Python and a DB driver are ready. Install SQLalchemy plus the connector you need. Create and activate a virtual environment, then pip install packages so dependencies stay isolated. Next, export credentials to environment variables and avoid hard coding them. Once done, initialize a small schema SQL file and a tiny sample dataset to run quick tests. This gives immediate feedback and avoids long debug cycles. Make sure your connection string matches driver expectations before moving on. You create an SQLalchemy engine with your connection string and test a simple select to confirm connectivity. Then choose between Core SQL or the ORM, Core for raw performance, ORM for convenient object mapping. Use parameterized queries or bound parameters to avoid injection. Commit or rollback transactions explicitly so you control state. Once you fetch rows, convert them to dictionaries or pandas data frame for analysis and visualization. Make sure to close sessions and dispose the engine to release connections when the work is done. You finalize by adding migrations and CI checks. Use Alembic or your framework's tool so schema changes are reproducible and reversible. Add connection timeouts, retry logic, and pool size tuning to handle production load. Once deployed, log queries and monitor latency. When things slow, run explain or analyze and add indexes where appropriate. If you hit errors, check connection strings, credentials, and driver versions first. Those are common culprits. A single troubleshooting tip. Enable detailed DB logs temporarily to capture failing SQL and parameters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.